Please tell me that I can't, that I won't.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this mini PC. This one is from Beelink. This one is GTR5. This one comes with Ryzen 5900HX CPU. So yeah, this is a very powerful mini PC. At least on paper this is a very powerful mini PC because this one also comes with Radeon Vega graphics. Wow, amazing. On paper this is a superb mini PC, but in real life how does it perform? We are gonna test that in later part of this video, but let's start from some unhappy things that happened with me about this mini PC. I had to spend $599 for this mini PC, and I have bought this one from a Chinese website from Beelink's own store. So I was very happy because this one comes with a lot of empty slots. There are two M.2 NVMe slots, so I thought I would upgrade the storage. This one also supports 2.5-inch SSD drives, so I thought upgradation of storage wouldn't be an issue. Also, this one supports dual channel RAM up to 64 GB. So that's amazing. Yeah, fantastic. But I can't do anything. Why is that? Yeah, we are gonna talk about that. Well, here is the box, and this one came like this. Outside the box there was a plastic wrap, but the moment I have got this one I was so sure that this is an used PC. Yeah, as I have bought this one from a Chinese website, I have got this Chinese manual. I don't care about this. What I care about is, look at this. They have sent me a used product. This is definitely after someone has opened it and then tried to repack it and sent it to me. Here this is actually a sticker. The sticker should have actually been here, but they have placed the sticker over here. Now the most important thing, look at this. I don't know whether you can see this or not. Check these screws. These are all broken. Someone has opened this one numerous times and then tried to put everything back, and in the process they have broken the screws. I'm so very unhappy. Truly, I'm very unhappy about their customer support and what I have got. This is a second-hand product. So definitely I'm not so happy. If they can do this to me, I mean, yeah, maybe I don't have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but I have subscribers. I have been here on YouTube doing tech reviews for a while. If they can do this to me, then what would they do with their usual ordinary buyers? I can't even think about that. Well, I have seen a lot of nice reviews about this product. I was like, after watching those nice and fantastic review videos, I was totally sold, so I have bought one. And yeah, build quality is okay. I should say build quality is better than many other. This one is totally metal built. But look at this, there are dents here and there, and they won't accept it that they have sent me a second-hand product. Well, let's forget that this is a second-hand product. Maybe they have sent me a used one. Let's try to use this one. Let's go through appearance, build quality, and all the review process. Let's see how does this one performs. Anyway, I'm not gonna have any negative impression about this product until we go through the review process. But I have a very negative impression about this brand Beelink. Let's start this video, and at the end of this video, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button. I always share honest opinion. I always share the truth with my subscribers and regular viewers. If you wanna know the truth, then subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start from unboxing. Let's see what things we have got inside the box of this Beelink GTR5 mini PC. Well, inside the box we have got our Beelink GTR5 mini PC. Beelink has provided a very good quality adapter. This is a 90-watt adapter. This adapter is manufactured by Huntkey, a very good brand. So about this adapter, I have no complaint. A very good quality one. And 90-watt adapter means this PC is a monster. This PC is able to provide very good performance. Alongside the adapter, there is a extension cable of the adapter, and we have got a very short HDMI cable. This one is very useful if you are gonna VESA mount this Beelink mini PC. Well, they have also provided a normal sized HDMI cable and a VESA mount bracket. Alongside the VESA mount bracket, they have also provided some screws for this VESA mount bracket and some screws for 2.5-inch SSD drive. Here goes everything that we have got inside the box. Well, it's time to check the appearance and build quality of this Beelink mini PC. This mini PC is built with metal. Very good build quality. I must say I'm impressed with this build quality. In front there is a dual mic array. On the left and right there are two microphones. There is a power button. Inside the power button there is a LED indicator. Beside the power button there is a clear CMOS button. As this one comes with open BIOS, so if you mess up with your BIOS settings then you can easily clear the CMOS. There is a USB 3.1 port, there is a USB 3.1 Gen 2, USB-C port, and a 3.5mm port with support for microphone. On the left and right side there is nothing but very big cutouts for air intake, and at the rear there are a lot of ports. There are two USB 2.0 ports, two USB 3.1 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4 and a HDMI port 2.0, two LAN ports. These LAN ports are actually 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, so this should be very fast and helpful. There is a DC port for power. Also on top there is a very big vent for air intake. There are two fans on left and right which intakes air from top and side, and the rear vent is used for air outlet. On top there is a fingerprint sensor, and this part is actually illuminated. When you power on this PC, a light lights up underneath this AMD. Let's start it. In terms of build quality, I would give this one 9 out of 10. For design, appearance and outlook, I would give 8 out of 10. Let's power it on. Let's see how does it perform. Well, here goes confirmation. This mini PC supports dual 4K output. Through both the HDMI and the DisplayPort at the same time. This mini PC can offer 4K 60Hz or above. Here you can see I have connected this mini PC with my Samsung monitor. This monitor supports up to 100Hz at 4K, and Beelink GTR5 is able to deliver this. Also, this one is providing 4K 60Hz on another display at the same time. So about display output, this one will get 10 out of 10. Now let's check performance. First we will run Geekbench, then we will give this mini PC a bit of a time to get cooled down, and then we will run Cinebench R23. Again we will give this mini PC a bit of a time, and then we will run 3D Mark. Let's see what happens and what type of score this mini PC can get. After running Geekbench, I have mixed feelings. This Beelink mini PC with Ryzen 5900HX CPU, this one has managed to get 1500 in single core and 7000 in multi-core, which is almost okay. But some other mini PCs that I have over here, which comes with this same CPU, those mini PCs actually have got bit better Geekbench score. After the Geekbench, let's run Cinebench R23. I have given 1 hour of time to this Beelink GTR5 to get cooled down. Let's see what type of score this one gets in Cinebench R23. This mini PC looks good and comes with a lot of great hardwares, but I'm not sure why this one has failed to get more than 10,000 in Cinebench R23. I have 3 other mini PCs which comes with Ryzen 5900HX CPU, and all of those have managed to get more than 10,000 in Cinebench R23, but this one has failed. This one has got around 9,500. So I am a bit disappointed. I'm not sure whether it's because they have sent me a second-hand unit or actual performance of this mini PC is like this. I'm not sure. Let's run 3D Mark. After running 3D Mark on this PC, I'm feeling like I've spent almost $600 and got a brick. 7,600? That's very poor. That's really below par score. Now I'm really worried whether I can play games on this one or not. What type of PC is this? Let's try to play Asphalt 9 and the most favorite game of Han, Striker Zone. After playing Asphalt 9, I have lost all the interest of playing games. This mini PC has even failed to get 18 frames per second in Asphalt 9. What's going on? Actually, I'm a bit frustrated, and also I'm confused. I'm frustrated because any other mini PC with Ryzen 5900HX CPU and Radeon Vega 8 graphics will do better than this. But this one has failed. And I'm confused because this Beelink GTR5, whether this result is truly its actual performance or this unit is failing to perform because this is a second-hand used unit. I am super unhappy. Well, after this type of performance, I have lost my appetite for gaming. Well, let's play Striker Zone and then I will come to a point where I can share my verdict with you. Let's see whether this one can perform a bit better in Striker Zone or not.
Negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, thoughts. I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss.
Well, after playing games on this one, I'm really a bit disappointed, and I think I will again spend a bit of money. I mean, I will buy another unit of this one. This time I will try to buy from their global website. I don't know what's wrong with this Chinese website, and I'm truly not that happy. Let's see, let's buy another unit and let's try one more time. But at this moment, I'm super dissatisfied. I'm super unhappy, and if you want me to share my honest opinion, then I would say skip this one. I have bought two Beelink mini PCs and both of those didn't perform. So I really don't have any good feelings at this moment. But as I have seen many other good, nice review videos, so I wanna believe that maybe this unit is a faulty one. If anybody from Beelink is watching this video, then I wish that they would send me a review unit or at least help me to get a replacement or something like that. Anyway, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have any other recommendations like any other mini PCs that you know would perform very good which comes with Ryzen 5900HX CPU, please let me know in the comment section below. I will buy that one and review that one. I will try to share my honest opinion with you, as I always do. So please take a little while, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned, and I will always try to provide you with honest review videos.
Any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud, you can have it douse.